Guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been a while, but I'm back. Today we're diving into the heart of Jamaica to explore 10 incredible moments when this small island left the world completely stunned. From the track to the stage to beauty pageants to spelling bee, we have it all covered. So let's get started. Starting off the list at number 10, we look at the Bob Marley Peace Concert in 1978. In 1978, amidst political turmoil in Jamaica, Bob Marley used his influence to organize a peace concert that brought together opposing political leaders. This iconic event showcased the power of music and the unity to heal a nation. And then in 1988, the bobsled team stunned the world. In the Winter Olympic of 1988, Jamaica did the unthinkable. The world was introduced to the Jamaica bobsled team, and with their determination, these underdogs, as they were dubbed, with their never dying spirit, they put on a performance that stunned the whole world. And out of that performance birthed the movie Cool Runnings, which proved that anything is possible with passion and perseverance. And then in 1993, Lisa Hanna stunned the world. That year, the world was captivated by the beauty and intelligence of Lisa Hanna, who at the time was only 18 years old, and she became the third Jamaican woman to win the prestigious Miss World title. Her grace, poise, and eloquence left a lasting impression on the global stage. And guess what? In 1996, Dion Hemmings stunned the whole world. At the Atlanta Olympics in 1996, the whole world witnessed a historic moment when Dion Hemmings blazed her way to victory in the 400-meter hurdles. She became the first Caribbean woman to win an individual Olympic gold medal, solidifying Jamaica's reputation as a track and field powerhouse. And following up that historic moment, in 1998, a little 12-year-old by the name of Jodianne Maxwell, she created history. Yes, at the tender age of 12, Jodianne Maxwell made history by becoming the first non-American to win the Script Howard National Spelling Bee. Under the guidance of her coach and mentor, the legendary Reverend Glenn Archer, Jodianne Maxwell stunned the world with her remarkable spelling prowess. And in that same year, the Reggae Boys made their World Cup debut. The Reggae Boys made history in 1998 by becoming the first Caribbean nation to qualify for the FIFA World Cup finals. Their qualification and subsequent victory against Japan showcased Jamaica's growing influence in the world of football. And then in 2008, at the Beijing Olympic, the world witnessed an unprecedented feat as Jamaica swept the women 100-meter finals with Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price taking gold and Sharon Simpson and Karen Stewart sharing the silver medal. This clean sweep cemented Jamaica's dominance in sprinting. And following up on the heels of 2008, in 2009, Usain Bolt etched his name in history by shattering world records in the 100-meter and the 200 meters. His lightning speed and charismatic personality made him a global icon and further solidifies Jamaicans' dominance in athletics. And then winding down this 10 iconic moments, at number 9 is the London 2012 Olympics. At this Olympic was another historic moment for Jamaica as they swept the men's 200-meter finals, with Usain Bolt winning the gold, Johan Blake the silver, and Warren Ware the bronze. This unprecedented achievement again showcased Jamaica, and it gave us that status as the sprint factory of the world. And rounding off this list at number 10, last but no means least, is Tessanne Chin when she won The Voice in 2013. In 2013, this powerhouse, Tessanne Chin, with her powerful vocals and undeniable talent, captured the hearts of millions as she became the first non-American born singer to win the NBC's The Voice. Her victory was a testament to Jamaica's rich musical heritage. So there you have it, guys. These are just a few of the countless times that Jamaica has amazed and inspired the world, from its rich cultural heritage to its remarkable achievements in sports, music, and so much more. Jamaica continues to leave a lasting impact on the global stage. So guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for continuing with me on this journey. And if you're here for the first time, thank you for joining the journey through Jamaica's incredible moments. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and share. And don't forget to also share your favorite moment in the comment section. The moment you thought that Jamaicans stunned the world. And until next time, take care and stay blessed.